Good evening. Welcome to the house of Subham Pandey. First of all, thanks for providing me this opportunity to represent my work. So, without wasting a single second, let's begin the session. So, first of all, I have carried all the images that are visible to you on this web page from the CDN link. This Atlan logo, flag, icons, image all are carried from the CDN link to make my React app lightweight and provide a smoother experience to the user. It will also decrease the page load time of my website. Now moving to the next section, that is data table section. This data table is imported from React Material UI. It is used here to display the data in a proper format. Now coming to the next section, that is pagination section, you can choose the number of records which you want to display on your page. I choose here 15, so 15 records are displayed to me. If you choose here 20, 5 more records are added here. Okay, so 20 records are visible to you on the single page. If you want to move to the next data set, then you can click on here. Okay, as you can see that you are at 21 to 40 record. Okay, so the record from 21 id to 40 id is visible to you, and total records are 246. If you want to move to the last page, you can click here. If you want to again move to the first page, you can click here. Okay, and you can see Afghanistan is at the first page. Now moving towards the next functionality, that is search functionality. Okay, so before that, oh sorry, my page got refreshed. Okay, so I am going to search my I am going to show you the search functionality. Okay, so if you want to search, filter any record, then you have to just move here, and inside this you have to type some letters of the country name. For example, I want to search India. So if I write here India, India, oh, you can see that India is visible to me. Okay, so this is the search or filter functionality that is in my table. Now moving to the next functionality, that is checkboxes. If you are selecting any country using these checkboxes, the number of items that you have selected is visible to you at the top of this. If you want to select all the records, then you can choose, and you can see 246 records are selected by you, and you can see here that 246 records are present in this table also. So this is another functionality of my project. Now you can see here, when I hover on this section, I will get a button. This is sorting button. If you click on it, it is going to sort your column data first in ascending, and when you again click on it, it is going to sort the data in the descending order. So we will see it further. Okay. Now coming to these buttons. So this is the edit button. If you click on it, a modal will pop up. You can edit your data and click on save changes, and your data is saved to the db.json file. Now moving to the delete section, if I am going to delete my record, if I am going to click on this button, okay, so I am going to get an alert that your record is deleted successfully. When I click here OK, you can see Afghanistan is not inside the table. Okay, now functionality of this button. Let us suppose this is the refresh button here which I have used. Okay, so I want to refresh my table, but how you can see that it is truly refreshing the page. So let's see it. I am moving to my Visual Code Studio, and you can see that ID1 is removed from here. So when I paste the ID1 data, as you can see, sorry. So let's take this data again. I am going to take this data from here, and I am going to modify it like ID is 1, and the name of the country again I am going to write here Afghanistan, and the country code is AF. So I write here, and the dial code is 33. Okay, 38. So now I have added one record here. Okay, now I am moving to my web page, and you can see that my web page is not having the record Afghanistan, but as I click here on the refresh button, you can see Afghanistan is visible to you. Okay, the same record we have updated, you can see AF and 38, and here is also country code AF and dial code is 38. So this is all about from my side in this project, and I will assure you that if you will give me a chance, I will provide my 100% potential to your company. Thanks and have a nice day.